Hello sir. Ito po, papunta na kami sa second floor. This one is the second floor. Okay. So the stair going to second floor. And that will be the master bedroom. And on the right side po, that will be the living room. Parang entertainment room po. Which is may ano na tayo, LG TV pong pocket office. And then this will be the second master bedroom po. Yan po. With an aircon na po. At the same time, meron na po tayo mga closet, mga cabinets, which is included na po. And then, that will be the walk-in closet po. This will be the toilet and bath po ng master bedroom. Okay. The closet, walk-in closet. Now, siguro akit na po tayo sa third floor. So, going up na po tayo, third floor.
Hindi naman mahirap ito. May water booster dito.
Ayan. Yan po yung closet. This is going to third floor. This will be the second room po. Second room. Ayan. Dito po yung dating room po ng anak niyang, yung nag-isa po niyang anak na lalaki. Okay. This one, may ano na siya, kasama ng cabinet. Ayan. Ayan, included na po yan yung cabinets. Ito po yung sa second bedroom po. Ayan.
Tapos itong klase na door na may pull-out pa na.
This one, the bed. Ayan. Pwede po siya i-pull out yung ano. Para mas ano. Yan po. Siguro apa. Ayan. Then this will be the third room. Wala lang po siyang ano ngayon, aircon, no? Pero pwede na rin lagyan po ng aircon. Ayan. May cabinet na rin po siya. Ayan. Oh, ayan. This will be the third room po. Then, ito po yung ano, common toilet and bath po ng 2 rooms. Yung second at saka third na bedroom. Yan. This will be the toilet and bath po. Actually, okay naman itong tubig. Sa tubig, as far as the listing broker, ano po, yan po yan, yung unit, third floor.